I love salads. I love eating them. I love making them. I think they're delicious. But how many times have I heard, oh, salads suck. They're so boring. Well, not my salads. Welcome to the Silly Kitchen where salads don't suck, and I'm gonna show you one of many delicious salads that you can make easily at home and really truly enjoy. All right, today we are gonna make a little bit of a Southwest chop styled salad. And what I mean, and I think that sentence came out wrong, Southwest style chopped salad. There it is. Okay, what that means is that my lettuce isn't big and leafy. I have chopped it into these small little pieces, and we're gonna put everything together, dress it, and away we go. So let's get started. We have our lettuce, so I am adding in 1 can of whole kernel corn. I'm going to add a little bit of red onion. I find about half of a medium onion works really well. And drained and rinsed kidney beans. 1 diced Roma tomato with all those delicious juices, and 3/4 of a cup of shredded cheese. Now, when it comes to shredded cheese, make sure you have a bite because I'm a cheese lover. I really need to just make sure I taste my cheese every time I cook with it. I also love giving you options. So we've put all this together. Jalapeno is 1 ingredient that you can also add in here, or green peppers if you'd like. I'm skipping that today, and we're just gonna go ahead and continue and season this on. Let's give it some fresh pepper. And here's another option for you. You can choose to use a nice big dollop of sour cream, or like I'm doing, I'm actually using some Greek yogurt for this. And for the next ingredient, a nice swirl of buffalo wing sauce. That is ready to be mixed. Now, if you put 1 big spoonful of that yogurt or sour cream in and you're finding it not creamy enough, feel free to add a little bit more. You can't take it away once you put it in there, but you can always start with a little bit less and just add more. Give it a really good mix, and you will be pretty much oh no, I lost a bean. You'll be ready to go when this is all mixed up. Now, this is definitely a salad that does not suck. It is delicious. It has some great bold flavors with or without that jalapeno. And I will tell you one tip is, for a salad like this, this is not a make ahead recipe. You want to eat this right away and serve it, because if you give that sauciness to lettuce and these veggies, they are gonna go mushy if it sits too long. So if you're making it, you can do all the veggie stuff ahead of time and then dress it right before serving. Now, shall we? Oh yeah, so good. Thank you for watching The Silly Kitchen. I hope to see you next time.